Getting the download failed error on WhatsApp while saving videos to your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix the download failed issue and save videos to your iPhone with ease. Let's jump right in. Before moving forward, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode on and off. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Allow photo access. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. Now find the WhatsApp. Then tap on it. Now tap Photos. Select Full Access. Solution 2. Enable Save to Photos. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the settings icon below. After that, tap Chats. Now simply toggle on the Save to Photos. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find WhatsApp here. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your download failed error on WhatsApp while saving these videos to your iPhone is all sorted now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.